I just run these 2x4s through the joiner. Now I'm getting ready for a glue up for the back of the outdoor table that I'm building, or chair I'm building. Really wasn't going to film this, so I didn't grab my microphone or anything like that. Just do a quick glue up, let these set up overnight. I've got the chair seat in place. Took a photograph of that. I'll be posting on my Facebook page in a little bit. And I'm going to call it an evening. As soon as I finish this and get them in the clamps. Someone made a comment that they thought I had way too many clamps. Problem is, most carpenters will tell you, you never have enough clamps. And that is the truth. You can never have enough clamps or Titebond glue.